Hello, my dears. Good afternoon. How are you? What you will say? I am fine. Thank you. Very good. Well done. Okay. And you are safe at your home? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Okay. So, which period is this? This is a English period. Which period is this? English period. Okay. And now, today we are going to learn story. It is a story time. Which time? It is a story time. Okay. So, are you ready to listen a story? Yes or no? Please give reply to me loudly. Okay? You have to reply me loudly. So, are you ready? Are you ready for listening story? Yes. Say yes, ma'am. Okay. So, today we will learn story of Golden Hand. Today we will learn story of Golden Hand. Do you know hand? You have seen hand. This is a hand. This is a hand. What is this? This is a hand. Okay. So you have seen many hands in your surrounding. You have seen there are many hands in your surrounding. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So today we will learn a story. The name of story is Golden Hand. Which story? Golden Hand. Look here, this is a hand. What is this? This is a hand. And this is a farmer. This is a farmer. Who is this? This is a farmer. Okay, this is a farmer. Look here. Once there was a farmer. Once there was a farmer. Okay. He had a hand. Once there was a farmer. He had a hand. एक फार्मर था, उसके पास एक हैंड था, गोल्डन कलर का हैंड था. Once there was a farmer, he had a hand. Okay, all of us say. Once there was a farmer, he had a hand who laid one egg daily. Who laid one egg daily. Okay. Once there was a farmer. He had a hand. Okay. Who laid one egg daily. Who laid one egg daily. एक फार्मर था, उसके पास एक हैन थी. ओके. और जो हैन है रोज एक एग ले कर देती, रोज एक एग देती थी. ओके. द फार्मर वॉज वेरी ग्रीडी. फार्मर वॉज वेरी ग्रीडी. ग्रीडी मीन्स लालची. द फार्मर वॉज वेरी ग्रीडी. फार्मर जो था बहुत लालची था. The farmer was greedy. So he cut the belly. What he had done? He had cut the belly. He had cut the belly of the hen. He had cut the belly of the hen. The farmer was greedy. The farmer was greedy. So he cut the belly. So he cut the belly of the hen. So he cut the belly of the hen. क्या किया उसने? नाइफ लेके, चाकू लेके hen की belly को कट कर दिया. What he have done? He had cut the belly of the hen. Okay. But could not get any egg. The farmer was very greedy. He thought if he cut the hen, he will get so many eggs. But after cutting the belly of the hen, he does not get any egg. And hen too. And hen too. क्या करा फार्मर ने? फार्मर ने hen की belly कट कर दी. उसको लगा कि अगर he thought that if he cut the belly of the hen, he will get so many eggs at one time. But he does not get any egg. Farmer does not get any egg, and he lost hen also. So what is the moral of the story? That we must not be greedy. Okay, हमें लालची नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, so farmer was very greedy. Farmer has a hen and he gave daily one egg. What he gave? He gave daily one egg. But the farmer was greedy. He thought every day he is giving only one egg. Every day hen giving one egg. But he thought no. But he thought that he become very greedy. So he thought that I will cut the hen belly and I will get so many at once. But he does not get any egg. But the farmer does not get any egg, and he lost the hen also. Okay. Again I am repeating this story with you. One farmer was there. He had a hen. And he gives daily one golden egg. What he gave? A golden hen is there, and he always daily he gave one golden egg. The farmer become very greedy. Farmer thought that every day he is giving one egg daily. So I will cut the hen and I will get many eggs. But after cutting the belly of the hen, he does not get any eggs, and he lost hen also. Okay, why? Because farmer was very greedy. So we should not be greedy. Okay, now all of you repeat story with me. What you will do? You will repeat story after me. Okay. Did you understand this story? What was this story? The story is about a golden hen. But what? The story is about golden hen. In a village, there was a farmer who had a golden hen, and the hen gave golden egg daily, one egg daily, and hen give golden egg daily. The farmer became very greedy. He thought that hen is giving daily one golden egg, so I will cut the hen and get all the eggs in one day only, in once. So what he do? He take a knife and cut the hand very, but farmer does not get any egg and he lose hand also. What? He lost hand also and he does not get any egg also. Okay, now all of you have to repeat story after me. Okay, as I am saying, you have to repeat the story with me. Okay, so are you ready? All of you, fold your hands. What you have to do? You have to fold the hands. No, don't fold the hands. Okay, we will say story with action. So you have to say story with action. What you have to do? You have to say story with action. Okay, ready? Ready all of you? Okay, now start. Once there was a farmer. Just tell me. Once, repeat after me. Once there was a farmer. He had a hen. Say all of you. Yes. Once there was a farmer. He had a hen who laid one golden egg. Who laid one golden egg daily. Once there was a farmer. He had a hen who laid one golden egg daily. The farmer was greedy. The farmer was greedy. So he cut the belly of the hen. So he cut belly of the hen, but could not get any egg, but could not get any egg, and hand to. Okay, all of you say after me. Once there was a farmer. All of you say. Once there was a farmer, he had a hen. Once there was a farmer, he had a hen who laid one golden egg daily. Who laid one golden egg daily. Once there was a farmer, he had a hen who laid one golden egg daily. The farmer was greedy. The farmer was greedy. So he cut the belly of the hen. So he cut the belly of the hen. But he could not get any egg. But he could not get any egg. And hand to. Did you enjoy? Okay, so you have to say with singing. Okay, again, ready? Again, you have to repeat after me. Okay, once there was a farmer. Repeat. Once there was a farmer. He had a hen. He had a hen who laid one golden egg daily. Who laid one golden egg daily. The farmer was greedy. The farmer was greedy. So he cut the belly of the hen. So he cut the belly of hen. But he but could not get but could not get any egg and hen too. But could not get any egg and hen too. Okay, so this is a story, the golden hen. Today we have learned the story of golden hen. At home you have to see the video and repeat the story with me or after me, and you have to say the story with action. What you have to do? You have to say the story with action. Okay, in this story, what was there? Farmer is there, golden hen and golden egg. What he do? Always farmer had a hen. What does farmer had? Farmer had a hen and the hen laid a golden egg daily. After seeing that, the hen is giving golden egg daily. So he thought, what he thought? So he thought that I cut the belly of the hen and I will get all the eggs. So what he do? He have cut the belly but could not get any egg, and he lost hen also. What? He lost hen also, and he does not get any egg also. So like this you have to learn this story. Once there was a farmer. He had a hen who laid one golden egg daily. The farmer was greedy. The farmer was greedy. So he cut the belly of the hen, but could not get any egg and hen too. But could not get any egg and hen too. Okay, so all of you, what you have to do? You have to repeat this story. Okay, what you have to do? You have to repeat this story. Okay, at your home. Okay, and I will ask you story. So all of you learn this story. Okay, and record the story and send to me. Okay, what you have to do? You have to learn the story and you have to record the story. Voice record. You have to do voice recording of the story and you have to send me. Where? You have to send me. So be safe at your home. Till then, bye and have a nice day.